Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Guys, today we need to discuss about system manager. Like system manager means SSM session manager. You can see my screen. This is the heading. Today we need to discuss about this topic. If you search in AWS services, just search on system manager, you will get the one service of system manager. So I will explain today what is this service is going to do. Okay, first of all, just understand the concept, then we can go for the practical session also, how this will work. Then it will better to do the practice. Okay, first of all, just read whatever points is there, we can read this, then I will explain what these points are going to do. Okay, first point is allow you to start a secure shell on your EC2 on premises servers. So second point is no SSH access, bastion host and SSH key added. Okay, SSH key added. Okay, next, no 22 port, like actually we are not allowing any 22 port also. For this, why we are not adding? Better security purpose. So supports to Linux, Mac and Windows Server also, and send the session logs data to S3 and CloudWatch logs. This is different, this is monitoring related. So today main concept is like we are launching one application servers, like we are using application servers, we are launching EC2 servers anywhere else. If you are using cluster also, if you are using on-prem also, like if you are using monolithic also, like you need to launch the your servers for working running your application. So in that servers we are allowing to 22 port for connecting, like I want to connect this application server in using to some third party tools like Mobile Putty, like any other tools also we're using to connect your server. So after connecting your server, you are going to work in that server, right? Say like that. Here this system manager concept is we are not allowing any 22 port. If we definitely we require, right? If you like not allowing 22 port, it will not able to connect your server anywhere. That is main concept today. Like we are not what is session manager is doing, we are not allowing any 22 port, like we are not allowing any internet connection, we are not passing any security groups. How we can connect our server securely, how we can work in that server like securely your AWS accounts only. For example, in my company AWS team is different, application team is different. Like application team also they need to install some of the tools for their uh, like application purpose. So cloud team also their requirement, they are processing OS level installation, they are giving to us. Okay, see this is the internet level access, like they are also access, and application team also access, both the teams also access in your server. This is the common way like all the companies are working, right? Now some of the banking companies what they are doing, they are not providing outside like they are not providing any server in outside. So I think all are going like following me, right? Like what I'm saying, if they are not allowing the outside of the server, how we need to install our application related packages like that, so that we are like they are also not allowing security port. If you are allowing security port, it will allow outside also, it will connect you can connect using out third party apps also. So for this session manager, one of the service of AWS system manager. That system manager, it will create one cloud shell. Cloud shell we need to connect. Using to cloud shell we can connect our server, then we can install whatever we requirement. That is the concept we are going to do today. These 3 points are meaning of that. You just see, if you allow start secure shell, this is the secure shell, your EC2 or on-prem services. We are not allowing any SSH access, we are not connecting any best-in host using, we are not providing key also, PIM key also. Here also we are not providing any security groups in 22 port. This will support in Linux, Mac and Windows. Okay, now we can go for practice session. Let me connect my AWS. My server is running. Let me stop this. I don't touch any existing. Actually what happened now, this servers many security groups already there and bound rules, so I don't touch anything existing server. I will launch one more. It is not an issue. Okay, I'm trying to launching new server. Before going to that, I will just explain the steps also. First we need to launch EC2 server and disable the security group, and also we need to create one IAM role for the SSM policy. This is the Amazon SSM managed instance core. This is the policy name. I will show you that. Then after that we can launch and we can wait for until running and go to the system manager, one of the service of AWS, and go to the node management, and after that there is one option field manager. Then after that you can check the managed instance if your server is available or not. Then go to node management again, then select the session manager. Under the session manager we can start the session, then we can open the one secure shell and we can check the internet connectivity is there or not. Okay, we are not allowing any input roles, right? So that we need to check the connectivity. If it is connectivity is then we can go to, we can work on our whatever requirement, our application related package we can install it, so that we can go one by one. I'm going to Amazon Linux only, T2 micro. I don't require anything. Here also I am removing SSH traffic in advance. I want one IAM policy. I am going to create. Create the role. AWS service, select the EC2, go to next. Here you can search this policy name, SSM manager, SSM. See Amazon SSM manager instance core. This we need to edit and select. I can write SSM demo role. So this is the instance manager core, SSM manager instance core. Okay, then create it. Yes, my role has been created. Okay, TK. Next go to refresh my role SSM demo role. This is my role. Okay, then we can directly launch it. This is pending stores. We can wait for until running state. Meanwhile, I will show you. See, if you see, there is no any inbound rules. Okay, only outbound rules is there. By default, outbound rules it will generate. That is common. But without inbound rule, it will not possible to connect without your SS22 port. If you want, you can check it. If you want, you can check it also. Let me try to connect. Then connect. See, you can read the unable to connect your instance, ensure network settings is not configured correctly. More information, set up your instance at network configuration. So we are not able to connect this EC2 server without 22 port. So this how we can resolve today topic. We need to discuss about this. Let's see our IAM role is attached or not. Yes, our IAM role is there. Now you can search what is the next point. Still here we are done, right? Till this is also done. This is also done. 1 minute. And now we can go for step number 4. System manager. This is the service. Okay, here what you need to go to node management. Under the node management we can select field manager. Here see my instance node name is there on instance core, and SSM agent version also it is showing, and AMID. So this is how, like field manager means whatever your SSM is having permission, all the servers it is showing here, your application servers. That is common for all the things. Okay, now what is the next step? Field manager is then managed instance. So see, this is your managed instance. Whatever instance you are doing now, like it will show it here. Whatever you have the SSM permission, right? All the servers it will show. Now go to again node management. Now we can select session manager. This is the under the system manager we have the one session manager. Here what we can do, securely access your Windows and Linux instances. You can read this also, you can understand. Then start the session. Our EC2 instance is this. Like see, this is optional. If you want you can enter what is the reason for purpose you are accessing. Okay, now before you saying, right, it is not connecting using if you are not adding any 22 port, we are not able to connect. So how we can resolve that issue? We can select this and start this session. See, it is going to one shell, like it will open secure shell. Till here we are done. Now we can check the internet connectivity and inbound rules. First we can check the host name, if that EC2 instance is correct or not. It is both are same, like whatever we are launching and this terminal it is going to connecting, we can check it is both are same. We can identify here also instance ID also, but anyway we can try it. That host name 172.31.92.192, we can go here, instance my devo 172.31.92.192. Sorry. 172.31.92.192. See, this is our private IP address. Now we are able to connecting whatever we are adding that policy, we are able to connect that server. Now what we can do, we need to check the internet connectivity. How we can check? We can ping directly google.com. See, internet connectivity also there, it is pinging. So this is how, if you want to connect the securely your servers, you are not providing like you don't want to provide any outside of the server for like secure purpose, so you can remove your secure 22 port and you can connect it using this system manager. This is the one of the better service for your secure purpose, you can use it anyway. And finally we can remove that, we can terminate the, if you are terminating the session, it will terminate that session only, it will not terminate your EC2 server. So if you want to, you can terminate again your issue. See, there is a one option for terminate. If you want to, you can terminate that session. If you terminate the session, it will close everything. See, are you sure want to terminate the session? You will not able to resume this same session. Terminate the sessions or listed the session history tab. If you are terminate now, you cannot connect again. See, I am terminated. Let me go here, session manager. See, this is your session manager, it is going to terminating. It is going to terminating. If you can't start again, you need to start it again, same the way, like whatever you are working in that time now, it will close everything if you are terminating. Okay, you got it. I think you guys can understand everything. Now we can delete this also, I don't require. Where is this one? I am terminating this also. This documentation I will try to push in my Bitbucket. I will add the link in Bitbucket link. You can follow these steps, okay, and you can follow this video also, then you can better to do the practice session. Okay guys, and that's it today class. We can connect tomorrow again. Thank